Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. Look what I made. Now you guys, is it a waffle or is it French toast? If you guess a waffle, you are right. And if you guess French toast, you guys, you are right. So what I did is I took my low carb waffle recipe. I cooked the waffles about 2 days ago. And then I let them sit just so they can dry out a little bit. Then I made a French toast batter. I coated these waffles in it and I cooked them like you would a traditional French toast. And you guys, we just made magic. Nothing left to do but to go ahead and give these a taste, you guys. They have been screaming my name. We have a waffle. We have a French toast, all on the same plate, you guys. Absolutely delicious. I'm gonna run the footage for you guys so that you can make your own kind of special in your own kitchen. But please remember to give this video a like and share. And please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before, you guys. And please also remember to leave in the comments just how delicious this is. Let everyone know so they can try it too. Thank you guys again so much for joining me. And I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit 550. Stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to put all of this together. All right, everyone. So everything that we need to put together this twice cooked French toast waffle is right here in front of me. So starting with the waffles, what I did is I made a batch of my low carb waffles about 2 nights ago. And if you've not yet seen that video, waffle pancakes, absolutely delicious. Again, they're low carb. I'll leave the link for you up there in the card above. So what I did is I left them out, and since they were not quite as dry as I needed them to be, I put them into a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes, and now they are the perfect texture, okay? So just set those aside, and let's get ready to make the custard to dip those in. And then that is where we're going to get our French toast vibe. Okay, so starting with, I've got a combination of unsweetened almond milk and some heavy whipping cream. And to it, we're gonna add some vanilla extract, some sweetener, some cinnamon, and the aroma, you guys. Oh my gosh. And wait until we get this orange in there. That's coming up next. A little bit of orange zest, because we are making it our own kind of special. A little goes a long way, so we don't need much. Awesome. Okay. And then last, our egg yolks. And we are going to whisk this until everything is well combined and we have like a custard consistency. So you guys, I am all about the exercise, but I tell you, not in the same segment as my cooking video. So I have pulled out my handy dandy stick blender and let it do the work for me. Okay, everyone, so while I still have some of this batter left, I don't know if you saw some of the batter go flying around when I used my stick blender to blend this together, but yeah, we just lost a little bit of it. But at any rate, we got enough to go around to make the rest of this recipe. So while I have some left, let's go ahead and take this over to the stove top where I've got a griddle that is preheating along with our waffles. I'll see you there. All right, you guys, so we are at the stove. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my waffles and then drop them into my batter. And as I mentioned earlier, the griddle has already heated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some butter Okay, that looks good. And I'm going to take my waffle out. And onto the griddle it goes. Okay, put another one in. Coat it, flip it over, coat it very well. Okay, put some more butter on the griddle, and on it goes. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing with the other two. Okay, everybody, I just flipped these over and I am going to let them get golden brown on the reverse side, and then it'll be time to plate these. All right, everyone, let's take a look. Ah, perfection. Take a look at that side. Absolutely perfect. Okay, I'm going to plate these. And you guys, I will meet you at the counter so that we can give these a taste. Okay, you guys, don't these look amazing? And you should smell them too. Absolutely phenomenal. So we're going to continue to make this our own kind of special by putting just a little bit of powdered sweetener on them. And then, of course, you guys, you can serve it with some fruit. I think I'm going to do some blueberries too. Okay, everyone, I've got some blueberries. I just rinsed them. And they just look so good. The color contrast. And now, here we have it, and maybe just a little bit more of our powdered sweetener. Again, you make your own kind of special, you guys. That's what it's all about. Now it is time to enjoy this feast.